What's up guys, my name is Michael and I'm here with STEK USA, a reflected images custom detailing in Forest Hills, Maryland. We're here for the first ever full body DYNOgreen paint protection film installation. It's going to be going on in this beautiful Porsche Carrera behind me. We look forward to giving you that first-hand look throughout the progress.
Hi, my name is Dan. I'm the lead installer over at Reflected Images Detailing. Today I'm going to be doing the first British Racing Green on a 992 Porsche. I have the film right here, already nested in the plotting system. I gave myself a couple inches extra for a safety buffer, and we're going to get right into it, plotting.
Thank you so much for following along throughout this Porsche's transformation to our new DYNOgreen paint protection film. We think the color and results turned out stunning, and we'd love to see it on your car too. If you're ever getting STEK fashion films or paint protection on your vehicle, make sure to tag us on social media and stay connected with us on our website through email or call anytime. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one.